Adding tags to Shopify product pages is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. First, open your admin panel of Shopify. You will see all the details of your website here. Like on the top, it shows that there are 4 orders to fulfill. It also shows a setup guide, including finding products, customizing your theme, adding a domain, setting up sales channels, and configuring payments. On the left panel, it displays home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing discounts, and many other options. From here, we will simply click on products, and it will take us to the products page. There are many products listed that are active. We can select any product, such as clay plant pot, copper light, cream sofa, vanilla candle, or any product you want. Right now, I will go with copper light. On the next page, we see options to duplicate, preview, share, and take more actions in the top right corner. In the mid-section, it shows us the title, description, media, pricing. On the right side, there is a panel for product status, insights, product organization. Now, the product organization is the main panel we need to focus on. Here, you can see sections for type, custom type, vendor, collections, tags. As you can see, the tag is the main thing we are looking for. Here, you can simply write the tags that are relevant to your product. You can also manage your tags by clicking on Manage. After finalizing your tags, click on the Save button, which is available in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear, indicating that the product has been saved. You can also edit your title and description in a similar manner. So, that's how you can simply add product tags in your Shopify account.